Hello and welcome to my quick About Me video. This is a collection of randomness about your math teacher, Mrs. Katie Wood. First, the most important information I could possibly give you, my phone number and email address. This is a work-dedicated cell phone, so feel free to call or text anytime, day or night, and leave a courteous, detailed message and I'll get back to you at my first opportunity. I'd like to tell you a little bit about my background. I come from a large family. I'm one of 5 kids and I absolutely love the chaos. I grew up in Orange Park, Florida, so I am a native Clay County citizen. I attended Florida State University right out of high school, where I got my bachelor's and master's degrees. I'm currently finishing up a second master's degree in online learning and teaching through Michigan State University. I've been teaching since 2009, except for the 1 year I stayed at home to have our third child. I have 3 kids, a 1-year-old girl, a 3-year-old boy, and a 6-year-old boy. Speaking of those kids, here are some photos of them. If you ever call in the late afternoon or early evening and I'm actually able to answer my phone, you'll likely hear one of them in the background. This summer, my family took quite a few adventures. In this photo, I am 2,000 feet above the ocean at Melbourne, Florida, in a tiny 2-seater airplane where my brother is the pilot. My husband and I took a cruise without our children to Jamaica and the Grand Cayman Islands. We also took our kids to Legoland, Florida for the first time. It was hot, but we had a great time. While we were on our cruise, my favorite activity was the zip lining. You'll see on the right-hand side a telephone pole with metal staples up the side. We climbed this 50-foot pole in order to zip line off the platform that you see in the top of the photo. Here is a video of me running down the cliff and jumping off in order to zip line across to the other side. That was required to get back to our starting point for this particular zip line. It was absolutely exhilarating and I can't wait to do it again someday. The important information. My hours are 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday, excluding days off and holidays, teacher planning days, spring break, Christmas break, Labor Day, that kind of thing. I'm not working. My phone is not on. I turn my phone off at 8 p.m. on Friday and I turn it back on at 8 a.m. on Monday. You are free to call or text anytime. Like I said earlier, please leave a message, a detailed message with your name, phone number, and course so that I can look up whatever information is needed prior to returning your call. I will return all contact, whether that's phone, text, or email, within 24 business hours of you contacting me initially. And I do not work weekends for tutoring, DBAs, welcome calls, or other needed information. Welcome to my course, and I can't wait to work with you this semester. As always, please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or concerns at any time. Thank you.